Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brother, it is so easy. You are going to love it and you will become expert. In 2 days you will become expert. Okay. At least this is only Madhi we are doing. Are you with me? And when you learn this, brother, you become expert in conjugating fi'l. If I write down any verb which does not have any weak letters, I'll explain you what weak letters are later on. Then you will be able to conjugate it in the Madhi. We have to learn Mudariya later. Yes, Salim?
Madhi is
past tense. Madhi is past tense. There is a nice joke, brother, that my teacher told me. He said when children from India and Pakistan come, when students from India and Pakistan come, they have been drilled so much in madrasas to conjugate verbs, they become really very proficient and they become expert. So this young fellow came and he said, I know verbs very well, Give me any verb and I'll conjugate. What did I say? He said, give me any verb and I'll conjugate. Okay? Teacher said, is that so? Okay. So he wrote a verb, 3-letter verb, brother. No problem. He conjugated. Okay? He said, what did you do? He said, I conjugated the verb. You just wrote this verb, He said, there is no such thing in Arabic language. It does not exist. How do I know? To me it looked like the verb, so I conjugated. So even if it does not exist in Arabic language, I will still conjugate it. Now, brother, another thing I want to point out, that's going a little bit in detail, kind of going in a little bit too much detail, but because I'll be repeating it all the time, you will inshallah remember it. If you don't remember today, it doesn't matter. It's normal. But let me repeat, brother. How many forms of verb in Madhi? 14. According to 14 pronouns. Are you with me? How many forms? 14. Okay? 14. 14 pronouns. Every pronoun has its own form in Madhi. Okay? But starting from Huwa up to Huma, you saw that the Lam Kalima has a vowel sign. Okay? And then the file which is attached to it, does it have anything on it? Sister Salma, what is on this alif? There is no vowel sign. If there is no vowel sign, then what is on it? Sukoon. We don't write, but we know there is a sukoon on it. You got the idea? If there are 3 vowel signs. If on any letter of alphabet there is no vowel sign, it means there is a sukoon on it. We learned the first day. So there is a sukoon here. And there is a sukoon here. And there is a sukoon here. Though all the files which are attached, they have got sukoon. So we have 2 which are mustatir. Are you with me? Brother, I'm trying to explain you. It's a very deeper concept, but I want you, because this is a very special class, and you are very special. I'll explain and explain again, inshallah. And you will, inshallah, understand well. And once you understand this concept, brother, things will become very, very easy. The scholars have divided those 14 forms of Madhi into 2 groups. One group consists of 5. Are you with me? Okay. In which I can see file in 3 of them. And the file has sukoon. And then 2 are mustatir. But the scholars took that 2 also as a part of this 5, and then they call this They call it sakin pronouns. What they call it? Sakin pronouns. What they call it? What is the meaning of it? That the pronoun, this is a pronoun, this is a pronoun, and this is a pronoun. So sakin pronouns. Now come at the other group. See, I deliberately made two groups. Come at the other group. Do you see files there? What kind of signs are there? Every file has a vowel. See? Na, ta, tu, ti, tu, na. Later on, you can break this tum also into different section. But for the time being, we will say the file is tum. Later on, when you go deeper and deeper, you can still have further explanation that what is this meme doing here. But that we will do in book 3. We won't bother about it now. Right now we say tuma is file, tum is file, tumna is file. But as you can see, there is a vowel sign there. So this group is called, brother, mutaharrik pronouns. What you call it? Okay. I will write down, brothers and sisters. Sakin pronouns. Now pronouns is damair. Damir is singular and damair is plural. Sakin damair you can say, and then mutaharrik. Mutaharrikun you can say. Mutaharrikun pronouns. This division later on when we learn the weak verbs will become very handy in our hands. Very, very handy in our hands, brother. So all you have to remember, what is it? Sakin pronouns and mutaharrik pronouns. Very soon you will have a good grip on it. Sakin pronouns are the first 5. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma. That's it. And then what are mutaharrik pronouns? 9 of them. Hunna, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. They are called mutaharrik pronouns. Now if I ask you, why do you call them mutaharrik pronouns? Because on the files there is a vowel sign. Why do you call this sakin pronouns? Because on the file, which is the damir, remember, the files are all pronouns. The files are all pronouns. It has got sukun. But what is this alif doing here? It represents huma. What is this waw doing here? It is they, hum. So this waw is equal to hum. Alifik is equal to huma. Sahi brother? And then same is huma. And then if I say, what is this na doing here? It represents hunna. That's a pronoun hunna. And what is doing ta? It is anta. Are you with me? What is tuma? It is tuma. And tum, it's antum. What is ti? It is anti. And then tuma, antuma. And then tunna is antunna. And what is tu? I, ana. And what is na? Nahnu. Are you with me? I will be repeating them, brothers and sisters. If you find that today it is too much to swallow, don't worry. Mutaharrik means having harakat. Okay. Vowel signs is in English. What do you call it in Arabic? Harakat. What do you call it? Harakat. Brother Muhammad, what do you call it? Harakat. And mutaharik means it has harakat. Mutaharik means it has harakat. Are you with me? Harakat. Harakat, plural. Harakatun is singular, harakat is plural. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? If I say sakin pronouns, means those damir that come as a file with the word, they have sukoon on it. And if I say mutaharik pronouns, those damir, those damair, which come as a file, has got a proper vowel sign. Is it clear? I will repeat one more time. Sakin pronouns are those pronouns, brothers and sisters. It is only 5 of them. Okay, it's a group, but truly speaking, there are only 3. The 2 are mustatir. They have, those damair have sukoon on top of them. Opposite to that, we have mutaharik pronouns, and those pronouns have proper vowel sign on it. That is why they are called. Now, do you know from this conclusion, if it is a sakin pronoun, then the third radical has a vowel sign. If it is a sakin pronoun, then the lam kalima has a proper vowel sign. And if it is a mutaharik pronoun, then the lam kalima has to have a sukoon. So that will make things very easy. One more time. If it is a mutaharik pronoun, then the third radical, which is lam kalima, should have sukoon. No, otherwise it will be incorrect. And if it is a sakin pronoun, then it will have a proper vowel sign on lam kalima. Now whether I have given you too much, I do realize it.
It's mixed up there. I'm sorry. I think it's getting mixed up.
You got mixed up? I don't blame you, brother. You can blame the teacher because I gave you too much on one plate. If it is a mutaharik pronoun, then the lam kalima will have a lam kalima will have a sukoon. I think I said it properly, you did not.
You said mutaharik.
Yes.
It's supposed to have the vowel. It's supposed to have the vowel sign.
Yes, but what I am saying that if it is a mutaharik pronoun, then the lam kalima will have sukoon.
Yes.
I think I said it correctly.
Yeah, that's what he's saying.
Maybe we won't edit anything. Are you with me, brother? If it is a mutaharik pronoun, when I say mutaharik means it has got already a vowel sign. When I say mutaharik pronouns, it means the pronoun has a vowel sign, otherwise I won't be calling it mutaharik. But when it is a mutaharik pronoun, what happens to the lam kalima? It gets sukoon, brother.
Okay.
Are you with me now, brothers? Okay. Okay. But don't worry, it was too much to swallow. Okay. Now when it is a sakin pronoun, then the lam kalima will have vowel. That's all. Because we are only thinking about lam kalima. If I say mutaharik pronoun, it already tells you that there is a harakat on the pronoun. That's why I'm calling it mutaharik.
The confusion is that the mind is working. The mutaharik.
Yeah, and then the lam kalima.
Yeah. When you see the sukoon, do you think that is sakin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, one more time. If it is a mutaharik pronoun, which means the pronoun has a vowel sign, what will happen to lam kalima? Sukoon has a sukoon. And if it is a sakin pronoun, which means it has a sukoon on it, what happens to lam kalima? Vowel. So this you will remember. Brother, the benefit of this will come in book 2. Book 2 will teach us 3-letter words completely, beautifully. That is the magic of Dr. Sahib's book, Book 2 will teach us everything that is to be learned for 3-letter words. And more than 3-letter words, we come to book 3, you know. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. Now, are you ready to do some more conjugations?
Yes.
Okay. From your mind, if I write, brothers and sisters, if I write here, Zahaba, and I will write down also Jalasa, and I will write down also Raja'a. These are the 4 things that Dr. Abdurrahim mentions in the book 1. I will also, there is a little space here, I will write down Kataba now. Are you with me? And just to give you little flavor, we will also do Shariba. What is the meaning of Shariba? He drank. Always he. MashaAllah. Look at it, Shariba. What is on the Ain Kalima? Shariba Kasra. So Ain Kalima can have Kasra or Dhamma. And then what about the rest of it? They have all Ain Kalima Fatah. So again I go back to one thing, brothers and sisters. Remember, 3-letter base form, Fa Kalima, first radical will always be Fatah. Lam Kalima, third radical will always have Fatah. Makes things very easy, brother. What is on the second radical, Ain Kalima? Anything. All 3 vowels can come. Okay, all 3 vowels can come. But the Dhamma, the words with Dhamma are very few and infrequent, you know. Okay, fine, brother. We start with Zahaba. You got to do it mentally now. Ready? Zahaba, then Zahaba, then Zahabu, then Zahabat, then Zahabata. Now we come to Hunna. What is that thing? Zahabna. What is it? Zahaba became Zahab. Zahabna. Are you with me? And then Zahabta. Then Zahabtuma. Zahabtum. Zahabti. Zahabtuma. Zahabtunna. Zahabtu. Zahabna. Zahabna, they, feminine, went. Zahabta, you went. Zahabtum, you all went. I'm now skipping Huma. Zahabti, sister, you went. Zahabtunna, you all went. Zahabtu, I went. Zahabna, okay, we went. Now it's very easy. If I ask you, Brother Hassan, أذهبت إلى المسجد اليوم؟ أذهبت إلى المسجد اليوم? What is the translation? أذهبت إلى المسجد اليوم?
Did you go to the mosque today?
Yes. If you went, what will you say? Naam. What will you say? Zahabtu. I went. Did you get the idea? If I ask you, Sister Salma, أذهبت إلى المسجد اليوم؟ Naam. Naam, you'll say yes. And what will you use? Zahabtu. That tu pronoun will come. We'll practice. We are going to practice. Are you with me? Yes. Now I am asking you all. أذهبتم إلى المسجد اليوم? Did you all go to the masjid today? What will you say? Naam. And what kind of answer will be? Dhahabna. See? Now we got to get used to these pronouns. Practice makes it perfect. You practice, you conjugate. But when I started doing this, I yesterday said, dodo goli, yes, pro. If you do every day 2 conjugation, or more, minimum 2, brother, you'll get stronger. You will become so strong, then it will surprise you. Okay, so that is it. Zahaba, he went. Zahabat, she went. Huh? Zahabu, they went. We are skipping humana. Huh? Zahabu, they went. Zahabna, the ladies, they went. Zahabta, you went. Zahabtum, you, masculine, all went. Huh? Zahabti, she went. Lady, huh? Huh? You went. You are addressing a lady. Zahabtunna, you all went. Zahabtu, I went. Zahabna, we went. Huh? Okay? Are you with me? So now come to the point here. Kharajna. Kharajna. Are you with me? Huh? Remember yesterday I said, there is a fi'l, the file has to be there. They cannot live without each other. Huh? They cannot live without each other. Fi'l and file always live happily together. Huh? If you remove file from the fi'l, then there is no fi'l. It's destroyed. There is no fi'l. They always come together. Okay? Fine? It reminds me of a song, you know. You'll have to bear with me, brother. This is a song, once upon a time, anytime you put on the radio, it would come. But that was in Pakistan. I don't know whether you heard it in India or in Guyana or not, you know. Akele na jana, hame chhod kar tum, tumhare bina hum bala kya jiyenge. Don't leave me alone and go away. The fi'l is saying to the file, don't go and leave me alone. Without you I can't survive. Then the file replies the same thing. Don't leave me alone and go away, because without you I cannot survive. Are you with me? So if there is a fi'l, there has to be a file. Has to be a file. Okay, brother, where is the file in kharaja? Mustatir. Where is the file in kharaja? Alif. Where is the file in kharaju? Where is the file in kharajat? Mustatir. Ta is ta, tanisi. Never ever say file. I got a weak heart. I get heart attack. Huh? So ta, tanisi. File is mustatir. Huh? And then kharajata, where is the file? Alif. In kharajna, where is the file? Kharajta. Kharajtuma. Tuma. Kharajtum. Kharajti. Kharajtuma. Kharajtunna. Kharajtu. And kharajna. Na. Now if I tell you to analyze, we start from here. Where is the verb? Kharaja. Where is the file? Mustatir. Now if I say kharaja, where is the verb? Kharaja. That is your verb. Where is the file? Alif. If I say kharaju, where is the verb? Kharaju, you will say. You will say kharaju. And where is the file? Wow. If I say kharajat, where is the verb? Kharaj. What is this ta doing here? Ta'utanisi. Huh? Telling me the doer of the action was a female. Oh, where is the file? Mustatir. Kharajata. Analyze kharajata. Where is the verb? Kharaja. What is next? Ta'utanisi. Where is the file? Alif. Now come to mutaharrik pronouns from hunna. Okay? Kharajna. Where is the verb? Say it properly. Kharaj. With sukun. You won't say with? No. You will say kharaj. Kharaj is the verb. And where is the file? Na. Okay. Kharajta. Where is the verb? Kharaj. Where is the file? Ta. If I say kharajtuma, where is the verb? Kharaj. Where is the file? Tuma. Kharajtum. Where is the verb? Where is the file? Tum. Kharajti. Where is the verb? Where is the file? Ti. Ti. Kharajtuma, where is the verb? Where is the file? Kharajtunna, where is the verb? And where is the file? Tunna. Kharajtu, where is the verb? Where is the file? Kharajna, where is the verb? And where is the file? Na. Got it, brother and sister? Inshallah, you will find this very easy with little practice, and inshallah, you will never ever forget. Okay? Because you remember, when you make a contract, we just signed a contract with Hunna. So we will always remember that contract. Now let us try and do jalasa. Let us try the verbs. Ready? Jalasa. Next one. Jalasa. Jalasu. Jalasat. Jalasata. Jalasna. Jalasta. Jalastuma. Jalastum. Jalasti. Jalastuma. Jalastunna. Jalastu. Jalasna. Now when you do it at home, you are taking extra sheets. When you will write it, inshallah, by Monday you will be fluent, inshallah. Next one, brother. Raja'a. Raja'a. Raja'u. Raja'at. Raja'ata. Raja'na. Raja'na. Because lam kalima got a sukun. Raja'na. Raja'ata. Raja'tuma. Raja'tum. Raja'ti. Raja'tuma. Raja'tunna. Raja'tu. Raja'na. MashaAllah. Kataba. 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 Katabu. Katabat. Katabata. Katabna. Katabta. Katabtuma. Katabtum. Katabti. Katabtuma. Katabtunna. Katabtu. Katabna. Are you with me? You have to only understand one thing, that you should pronounce these two in such a way that there is a distinction. They should not sound same. Kharajna and kharajna. Zahabna and zahabna. Jalasna and jalasna. Katabna and katabna. You have to differentiate between them. Well, I think this is enough for verbs. Now remember, brother, this is extra. Dr. Abdurrahim doesn't say that these things are to be done, because if they were to be done, you would have found him mentioning in the key. I am doing this because I feel personally that if we slowly do verbs side by side, by the time you come into book 2, you are so strong already in verbs, you have been studying it for a few weeks, that you will find book 2, brother. What will you find book 2? If you find book 2 very easy, what do I say always?
Halwa puri.
Halwa puri. The book 2 will become halwa puri for you. Because you already know it, brother. Inshallah. So you will keep this in mind. Okay. If you have any questions about this, you can ask me in the break or afterwards. Inshallah. Now we come to lesson number 5. Lesson number 5 is extremely important lesson. And you know, this thing was so important. We have been doing it for now 2 days, and I'm so glad that everybody in the class is present, so you have a good idea of the verbs, you know, the base form, the fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima, first radical, second radical, third radical, we discussed. We will be repeating it again and again, brother, because 2 verbs we will do it here in the class every day, inshallah. Practice it. Fine. Hum, hiya huma hunna, huwa huma hum, hiya huma hunna, anta antum antum, anta antum antum, anti antum antunna, Anti antum antunna ana nahnu huwa huma hum hiya huma hunna huwa huma hum hiya huma hunna. Inshallah, I will repeat it whenever I feel like, and it will only help you to memorize the 14 pronouns. Now we come to lesson number 5. Something very, very important we are learning. Extremely important. Sometimes students get confused. But I hope, inshallah, all of you will understand it very well. Okay. Possessive case in which the possession is described. Brothers and sisters? How do you describe possession in English? By using of. By using of, you describe possession. You use possessive S. What do you use it, brothers and sisters? You use it. You use it. Possessive S. Okay, brother and sister? You use it. Possessive S. Okay? This is how you describe. Pen of Muhammad, or Muhammad's pen. Book of Muhammad, Muhammad's book. House of Hamid, Hamid's house. Are you with me, brother and sister? Okay. How do you do in Arabic? Because there is no equivalent of or possessive S in Arabic. There is a relation between two nouns. Possessive, indicating possession. Okay? But then we have a special construction. And it is called al-idafa. Al-idafatun. What is that special indication? Relation? Indication? Now this is a technical term, brother. Al-idafatu. Actually speaking, idafatu means addition or annexation. Okay? But don't worry. Just think about idafa, which represents, possessive case. Idafa represents possessive case. Here is kitab, and here is Muhammad. Okay, I can say Al-Kitab, the book of Muhammad. So how do I do? How do I make possessive case? Look at very carefully, brother. Kitabu Muhammadin. If I say Kitabu Muhammadin, what is the translation? Kitab of Muhammad. Book of Muhammad. Got the idea? Book of Muhammad. Fine. If I say pen of Muhammad, Kalamu Muhammadin. Muhammad. Let me write down properly, brothers and sisters. Let me write down properly. Muhammadin. I think I should not put Shadda here. Why am I writing Shadda here?
No, it's not Shadda.
No, I have to make it din. I have to make it din properly. Okay. Muhammadin, Kalamu Muhammadin. If I say house of Muhammad, Baitu Muhammadin. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? There are two nouns in possessive case, or you will say in idafa. There are two nouns. Okay? The first noun is called mudaf. What is it called? Mudafun, you can say. In possessive case, or you will say in idafa. There are two nouns. Okay? The first noun is called mudaf. What is it called? Mudafun, you can say. And the second noun is called mudafun ilayhi. But you know, we say mudafun ilayhi. In short, you will always say mudaf ilayhi. No, it's mudafun ilayhi. Ilayhi. Okay. Ilayhi. Okay. Now we want to go and observe it. I observe here that the mudaf ilayhi, okay, which is also in the key you will find as a possessor. As a possessor. What do you see, brother? I have been always telling you that Arabic noun declines in three states, cases. It is kasra. So what is it? Majroor. Then. It is then. Majroor. Always. Always, always, always majroor. Always majroor. What is majroor? Mudaf ilayhi. Remember, after harf jar, ism is majroor. And then after mudaf ilayhi is always majroor. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Fine.
So harf jar is understood here.
No, there is no harf jar here.
Right, understood, off.
Off is there. Yeah, but in Arabic there is no off.
Right. But that is the preposition in English, which is understood here.
Yeah, but I think we should not take that into consideration. Okay. We just go to mudaf ilayhi. Here, brother, what do you see? Yes, brother Farooq.
Can you pronounce the first column again? What is it?
Mudaf. Mudafun. Mudafun ilayhi. But we say mudaf ilayhi. Mudafun ilayhi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Mudafun ilayhi. Fine. Mudafun ilayhi is always majroor. Always majroor. Okay? What about mudaf? What do you see in mudaf? It's marfu. But it can be mansub also. And it can be majroor also. It's possible. Depending on the situation in the sentence. Okay? But let us now for the time being consider it as a marfu because you see dhamma there. What else do you see? What else? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. There is no al there. So in other words, rule is mudaf cannot have al. Mudaf, Sister Naima, cannot have al. No. It cannot. Mudaf ilayhi can have al. If I just change this, brother and sister, to, look at it, brother. Kitabul Mudarri Si. Are you with it? Majroor, always. Kalamu al Mudarri Si. Are you with me? Baitu al Mudarri Si. Are you with me? Whether it is a single kasra or is it a tanween, but it is majroor. What is majroor, sisters? Mudaf ilayhi. Okay, mudaf ilayhi is called possessor. What is it called? Possessor. It is all in the key. But read the key. Read the key every single day. Keep next to your bedside. Read the key. And then, brothers and sisters, what is mudaf? It has no al. And it cannot have tanween. It cannot have tanween. No tanween. It cannot have tanween, brother. Are you with me, brother Abdul Qadir? Mudaf ilayhi is always majroor. It can be definite or it can be indefinite. If it is indefinite, it will have tanween. If it is definite, it will have only single kasra. But the mudaf can never have al and can never have tanween. Can never. That's the rule. So this is your situation of possessive case. Okay. Tell me, how shall I write down Book of Allah? See? Kitabullahi. Kitabullahi. How do I say House of Allah? Baitul. We all know Baitullah. You always say, but now today you will say Baitullahi. Today you will say Baitullahi. Okay? See, we are learning the proper declension. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? We are learning proper declension. Have you ever thought about this? How do you say Suratul Asr? What is the first ayah? Wal Asr. Have you ever noted down what is written there? It's called Wal Asri. It's majroor. But you always say Wal Asr. But look, go home and look. You will find kasra there. Wal Asri. Why Asri? As a student, we will ask, why there is a kasra? And there has to be a reason. No, this is different. I'm only pointing out that there is a kasra there, but you never notice it. Inshallah, I'll explain you. And when you will learn this, Sister Salma, you will be amazed at the beauty of the Quran and also amazed at the fact that you know now what you did not know before. You will know now what you did not know before. And it will always surprise you. You know, there are so much beautiful things in Quran, we just take it for granted. You know. So coming there, brother, I was just trying to explain you that when you say Kitabullah, you never say Kitabullahi. But it is Kitabullah. And I was just giving you an example, Wal Asr. But it is Wal Asri. Why? We will inshallah check it. It has got no relation with mudaf. Idafa, possessive case, is the relation between two nouns, which indicates possession. In English we use of or possessive s. Are you with me? Is it Correct? How do you say the house of, I say house of teacher. How do you say in English? House of teacher. House of the teacher, or the house of teacher. Okay? The book of teacher. The pen of teacher. You always say like that. Okay? So you use of, or you say teacher's house, teacher's pen, teacher's book. You use possessive s. Are you with me? But in Arabic, we have these two nouns, book and teacher, or book and Muhammad.